Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to learn Python on Vscode, easy method. Open Vscode, install the Python extension, and set a workspace folder to keep code organized. I'll guide you through creating and running your first script, explaining interpreter selection and common errors to expect. Follow along at your own pace, pause when needed, and try typing each example yourself to build comfort and muscle memory. In this video, I will explain how to learn Python on Vscode easy method. Start a new Py file, type a basic print statement, and run it in the integrated terminal to see output immediately. I'll show how to choose the correct interpreter, launch the debugger, and add breakpoints to inspect variables as code runs. These habits make learning faster and less frustrating, so practice them on small examples. In this video, I will help how to learn Python on Vscode easy method. I'll recommend helpful extensions such as linting, formatting, and IntelliSense to improve code quality and productivity. You'll learn how snippets and tasks reduce typing and how to customize settings for projects. I'll also cover virtual environments briefly so your dependencies stay isolated, which prevents conflicts and keeps your projects reproducible and tidy as you grow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.